My name is Emma Kelly, and today I'm going to be showing you how I make some of my favorite day-to-day drinks. The first one is going to be my go-to coffee drink, and the second one is going to be a easy strawberry lemonade with stuff that you can buy at any grocery store. Today we're going to be using my Keurig coffee machine. I'm going to turn it on so it can start heating up. And then we're going to be using the brew over ice K-Cups so that it makes the right strength of coffee for your iced coffee. You can see there's ice in the cup and all of that ice is going to melt, but it doesn't water it down because the K-Cup is made for iced coffee. So once the ice melts, that's when the coffee is the perfect strength. As you can see, I poured over fresh ice because I like mine to have a lot of ice in it. Needed a little bit more there. And then that extra coffee I'll drink later. Then I'm going to add some oat milk creamer. This one's caramel flavored. It's the Planet Oat brand. This I usually measure with my heart. Sometimes there's more, sometimes there's less. And then I stir that in. Next, I'm going to make a foam topper. Today it didn't really foam up very well because I used oat creamer, but that's fine. It's the idea that counts. It's kind of fun to do. Then I'm going to add in some just regular 2% milk, little splash. Next I'm going to use Next I'm going to add some vanilla syrup from Starbucks. Sorry, I forgot about that. Sometimes I add this, sometimes I don't. That's why I didn't think about it. Needed a little bit more for that one. I was in a sweet mood today. This was afternoon coffee, so those tend to be sweeter. Then I froth that up so that I can pour it on top. As you can tell, it didn't really froth up much, but it's fun to use the frother, so that's why I do it. It kind of sat on top, but most of it just fell in. Next, we're going to be making a strawberry lemonade. I'm going to use a Weiler's Light packet, and we're going to pour about a teaspoon in. I was pouring it and then I was like, that's probably enough because of the size of my cup. Then we have 2 tablespoons of strawberry syrup, just regular flavored strawberry syrup. And then I'm going to add in a little bit of a splash of water so that I can mix this up. Also, as you can tell, I love to use my frother for anything I can, so that's what I'm going to use right here. Get it nice and mixed up so that there's no chunks of the lemonade powder because that's not fun to drink into your straw. Then I'm going to add some ice. I like a lot of ice in my drinks. It's just how I am. If it's supposed to be cold, it needs to be really cold. If it's supposed to be hot, it needs to be hot. Then I add some more water. Move it over for effect. Then I'm going to add some 7-Up just so that I can add a little bit of fizz because I like the fizz, but I try not to drink straight pop very often. Usually it's diet or just flavored water. That works too. The strawberry flavored water from Walmart is also very good in this. And I stir it up and it's ready to drink. I made these at the same time, so this one I gave to my brother, and I drank the coffee. I also want to add that the only thing in my strawberry lemonade that has sugar in it is the strawberry syrup, and that is very minimal, so that's a very low calorie, low sugar drink, which is why it's one of my favorites.